Welcome back to my channel Adhyan with Flow. Okay, let's start with polygenic inheritance. Now, what you understand by poly? Poly means multiple. Genic means gene. So, what do you understand by this concept that multiple genes control one character? Means for a one character, for a one specific character, if multiple gene take participation, this thing is called as a polygenic inheritance. One of the best example is what human skin color. One of the best example that we know that our skin color is vary from person to person. Yes or not? Of course, they are not a black totally, they are not a white totally, guys. There is many intermediate color also present. There are many intermediate, I'm writing here, there are huge intermediate color also present, like light black, light dark black, okay, mid color, yellow, yellowish, whitish. So guys, multiple gene contribute to decide human color. Same, one of the example is like a human height. There is not a specific that all are at 5 and 7. No, there is many intermediate height, 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 6, 7, 8, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3. Yeah, they may vary. There are many intermediate height ratio also present. So this kind of thing is what a polygenic inheritance. Now, next topic is what? Pleiotropy. What do you understand by pleiotropy? It means, guys, one gene control single character. Single characters means one gene controls single character and also multiple character. Multiple characters. What about polygenic? There is multiple gene control one character, but here concept is opposite, that only one gene control many characters. So credit goes to what? Pleiotropy. And what is the example of pleiotropy? None other than phenylketonuria. This is the what, guys? This is the disease, okay? PHA, I think this gene, maybe it may be wrong, but some gene responsible for coding. If a particular gene who get mutated, I don't remember exactly what is the gene, but if their gene phenylketonuria gene, if get mutated, they cause this disease. Their enzyme will defected, their genetic material get defected. So the person gets suffer from many characters, guys. It may be reduction of their hairs, it may be mental retardation. Look at here, guys, only one gene affect this much characters. Only one gene affect and they cause this much character. It may be mental retardation, it may be reduction in hair, it may be skin pigmentation. Only for one gene, only for one gene get mutated now. That's why they cause this much characters. So this is all about polygenic inheritance and a pleurogenic inheritance. Now, how you determine sex? How sex determination processes occur? Now, first of all, you have to know about what is the male chromosome and female. Last chromosome of male is what? XY. Last chromosome of female means 23 guys. Rest of 22 chromosomes are same, but last 23 different. In male there is X and Y, and in a female there is XX. Now how you determine the sex of the baby? Okay, let's cross with them. If we cross girl or boy, come on guys, girl. It may be girl, it may be boy, guys, it may be not a fixed thing. It may be girl first, it may be boy first, it may be boy at the second position. So they decide sex of the baby, not male and female decide the sex of the baby. Now guys, except chromosome, male have particular genes also. Sorry, SRY gene, you have to remember these gene. SOX gene. So they are gene. These genes are responsible for birth of male baby. If these gene, if these gene take participation in crossing na, then confirm that boy child will occur. According to male and female human, here is example of Drosophila. Here is their genes XY and her gene chromosome XX. You can cross and you can get according to their. There is another example. So you can check the cross and take like boy and girl. You can take, here is a sign of ZZ is a what? Male. ZW is what? Here different na? Yeah. Female is different. Here is ZW is what for what? Female. Here is another cross between grasshopper. Here is their chromosome structure XO and XX. Okay. So with the help of cross na, you can assume that boy child will occur or it may be girl child is occur. Next thing is what? Mutation. Guys, assume this is the DNA sequence. Okay, GC, ATGC. Okay. Okay, so this is the, assume that this is the compulsory codon. But if assume that these codon will missense, so DNA want to repair. But if they not repair, then what happen? Mutation will happen. Guys, mutation, it may be occurred with any kind of chemical composition like ETBR, any kind of chemical, any kind of physical effect, is any kind of like UV radiation, if you consume some toxic substance, if you have any kind of ecological effect also. So mutation will occur by anything. It may be infected by virus also. So there is no decided who cause mutation. Guys, anyone can cause. It may be physical, it may be chemical, it may be biological. Mutation will occur by the help of physical, chemical, biological. Okay, in mutation, what do we discuss? How they mutated. If any part will deleted, assume ATGC same, ATGC same, assume AT, this part will delete, mutation will occur. Yes, there is sequence is missing, mutation will occur. If DNA repair is not here, then mutation will cause. Now something is inserted, assume this is a sequence ATGC, ATGC. Now here ATTCG. Okay, now something is insert inside. Then again, if they don't repair, then mutation. Duplication is what? ATGC, ATGC. Assume again ATGCGC. Here duplication. If they not remove, if they not correct, then mutation will occur. Okay, in detail we will discuss about chapter 6. Now let's start with pedigree analysis. Before pedigree analysis, you have to remember these specific structure. Male indicated by rectangular, female indicated by circular. Here sex is undefined. If I dark this zone na, it means they are affected. If I draw a line, it means mating. If I draw two lines, it means mating between relatives. Now if I draw mating, and then these child will occur, means offspring will occur. This this is the she and this is the he. Here mating will occur in male and female, and what they have? Affected child. Here is 5 what? Unaffected offspring. Here is offspring is present, but they are unaffected, but we can't identify that this is the male and female. Look at here, na, we don't identify. So with the help of pedigree na, you can identify their ancestors mutation stage, it may be disease stage, they are normal or not. Yes or not, guys? Let me draw a cross for you. Assume, guys, she and he. Okay, wait. Now she is affected with some kind of disease. She affected with some kind of disease, and this disease is dominant in character. Assume this disease is what? Case 1. I am taking case 1. This woman suffer from disease, but this disease is dominant. If she transfer their chromosome in their child, compulsory those child will affect. If she mate with a person, give birth, first child is normal or what? Yes. Second child is normal or what? Yes. Now what happened with this? Now another child will affect it. Now another child is also affected. Wait, boy. Clear or not? Okay, guys. They are affected. They are affected. Now take assume like this gene is what? Recessive in nature. Recessive in nature means if this chromosome will affected, but they are healthy. This chromosome is healthy, but this is affected. They show their self, but in the presence of with if both chromosome will affected. If one chromosome is affected na, so they work as a carrier. They work as a carrier. If we take as a recessive character na, so this child is a carrier. If he and she mate with another, so they work as a carrier. Work as a carrier. They transport. They only transport the disease, but they don't suffer with this disease. Okay, assume guys. Let's take another case. This is the case 2. Another one is case 3. Assume guys, here is what? Y chromosome is affected of boy. If he mate, then what happen? First child is normal or what? Of course normal. Second boy, but they are suffer from this disease. Now third child is normal or what? Normal, but another child. See, only boy is affected because Y gene contribute maleness. Only boy will affect. Boy will affect. Clear or not? Okay. Case 4. Wait, let me change a pen. Now here is what? X chromosome of male is affected. Now tell me what happened with them. Girl child will affected or not? Yes. Boy is normal. Girl child is affected, but boy is normal. So here girl child is affected. Girl will affect it. Now what you understand? So pedigree, what they tells you guys, you can estimate, you can calculate. If a person suffer from a particular disease na, so you can calculate that your parents will suffer with the same disease or not. They work as a carrier or not. They work as a dominant or not. They are recessive for this disease or not. Okay. So pedigree useful in these cases. Okay. Now another thing is Mendelian disorder, but we will discuss in our next video. So that's all for now, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Adhyan with Flow and keep revising. Thank you so much. Keep learning. Thank you.